Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Bob from the Minions together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the eyes by making a small circle for the pupil and a larger one for the iris. Draw a third larger circle for the glasses lens. Do the same for the second eye, like I do. Now trace the edge of the glasses. Draw a rectangle on the sides of the glasses and split it into two with a horizontal line. Then draw another small rectangle. Now draw the two suit straps with two diagonal rectangles. Then trace the head outline. Draw a horizontal line of the suit and two buttons above the suspenders. Now draw the line of the mouth. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Good job! Now trace the body outline. Draw the outline of the suit, first a vertical line, a quarter of the circle, and then on a horizontal line. Do the same thing for the other side. Trace the line of the belly, the legs, and draw the pocket of the suit. Draw the arm with two large upside-down V letters. An oval for the base of the globe, and then draw the hand. Do the same thing for the other arm.
Now, all we have to do is to sketch the shoes.
Excellent! Our minions turned out very well. Now let's get the colors. Use yellow for the skin. Color the glasses with gray. Use black for the pupils, the outer rectangle of the glasses, the buttons, the gloves and the shoes. Color one eye with brown and the other eye with green.
Now use blue for the suit.
Wow, you've been really skillful. Our minions is ready for a new adventure. Goodbye, my friends. See you soon.